Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to share payment details using Wise. Now for us to get started, we have it down here below. You should be able to see the transactions that you have here. I want you to go ahead and click them. Now from this point forward, you should be able to see here the amount, the person receiving this one, as well as the updates and then the details. What you're gonna do is head over to the details and you should be able to see them here at a glance. Now if you're going to scroll down, you should be able to see here the other details that you are gonna be needing. Alright, now after doing so, I want you to go ahead and try to check one more time. You can actually just screenshot this one, just like so, if you want to do that. However, if you want to be more accurate, more specific, I want you to scroll down here below and you should be able to see here the transfer receipt. So go ahead and download that one and it's going to be downloaded very easy, just like that. Alright, so as you can see, invoice is done downloading. You can go ahead and open this one, and from this point forward you can confirm if everything is correct. So you have the transfer confirmation, your details, the overview, and then you have the taxes included here. You also get to see who you are delivering it to, and then once you're done, just go ahead and tap this 3 vertical dots here, and then you can go ahead and send this file to other people. So there are different options here. I want you to go ahead and choose how you want to transfer or to give it to them. You can also just go ahead and print it in paper if you want to. But yeah, basically that's how you are going to share the payment details using Wise.